All aboard! In the nautical manner used when tobogganing by Titty and Roger, gave the sledge a good push, landed
Look over there, Sam.
on
You
the
see
back
it?
and
Look at all the water.
touch of a foot, now on this side, now on that, as it flew down over the snow, steered
Ah,
for
you're
the
not going to have to see it, Sam. We're about to wade through it.
It flew out of the ice towards
That is a
the
lot of water,
and
isn't it?
with the extra weight on it, might well have made a record
Look
run.
ahead, Sam.
But today, there were other
We're
things.
about to go
Break!
swimming.
Break! Cried Dick, sticking both feet firmly down. No point in going too far. Dorothy
Yeah, something like that, Sam.
sledge.
That's all right.
Skates were pulled out from under the ship's and in another minute, Dick and Dorothy,
Look at this bit, Sam.
set out with steady strokes for the farm.
I don't want to go, but look at that to your left, Sam. See, it's all flooded out.
You've got a tremendous way to go. We must just go ahead at the pace we know we can keep up forever. We'll catch them at the end. They can't go quicker than Roger. Are we going to use the sail?
That was a very bad storm, wasn't it, Sam?
Said Dick, looking
The whole river has flooded us through.
It's the right wind, but there isn't enough of it. It's no better than
That's
it was
right.
that day. It wouldn't move the Bedford sledge at all. I wish it would be.
And there.
Said
Crikey, look that way,
This was
Sam.
not because she looked
Look to your right.
safe for its own sake.
Big
But
lake.
because supposing the others were any
Doug would
way
Oh, goodness gracious me.
seeing a picture
I
of
don't
their
would like
arrival
it.
distance north.
Yeah.
There would be the Swallows and Peggy sailing over the ice on the big Beckfoot sledge with the flag fluttering at the masthead.
I can see the
And
white
there,
line,
a
so
bit
I'm guessing.
coming fast
Oh,
into
Mom,
the river,
look how much
a
there.
little
There.
sledge with its sail made out of an old sheet. It, too, lying
God
its
bless
flag.
Skoda.
She did want to see what
Oh,
they could
shit.
do. What was that? Far away over the ice. That was
That-
still
It's
sledge.
bad.
But these have done it after all.
No.
Then the little stopped living
Okay, for a minute there, I thought we'd bitten off more than we could chew.
hands and shaking
All it.
hard march to the front.
Panic!
It would be a dreadful
Oh,
others
okie dokie. Yep, we're going.
night.
We are completely trapped.
Looked
They will.
deserted when they passed by.
That
outside
might
Hampstead
be-
Square. Usually there was at
Oh,
least
you
one
burp. Don't
man
even try that.
And one or two of the explorers would be stamping up and down after them. Today,
Well, they're lower clearance than we are, so
there were no smoke.
We have not great. Hey, you may not take.
shit.
That
Now, if we
had
have
been
a
stopped too, said Dorothy. He's shut up the Fran for today. He and Nancy will be going together, said Dick, if the doctors let her out.
good girl.
And could see the house down. They never saw
No more floods.
Coming up.
and Susan put fresh coal in the stove that she burned years out while Captain Flint. They did not know that Captain Flint had half the rope shifted the ladder to the
Well, that was
side
fun.
of the houseboat.
That's better.
So that
No water.
she lets it
That's
right
much better, isn't it, Sam?